Hi, I'm Eric. This is Austin. Hi.
Hello, we've just read Magritte's Marvellous Hat and we're going to do our own surreal picture. So the pictures can look quite funny. Have you seen this one? Is it quite ordinary or is that a bit surreal? We have this one.
That's me. That's me.
And maybe this one. Or perhaps this picture.
I am a banana.
Look how wide your legs are, rocking on a banana and a floating pipe. Ah, I'm flying on a dove. My hat's flying. It's fun, isn't it?
My hat's blown away.
That one.
I'm an apple.
A giant apple head.
Austin's got a giant apple head.
Ah. Look how cute you look. So we have to do our background first, which is like a cloud background. Yeah?
Yeah.
So it looks a bit like Magritte then, doesn't it? So we have a nice background.
Yeah.
Cloud background. So we're going to start with some blue paint with just some old sponges, and I've kind of cut little round sort of circly ones for the clouds. So I have Eric and Austin here and we're going to do our cloud background. So going to need some blue. Let's squelch some blue in. Ooh. Okay, and some white for the fluffy clouds.
The white's pretty good, but not the blue.
Yeah, the blue's a lovely colour though.
Yeah, my favourite colour.
Lovely.
Blue's my favourite
Okay,
colour.
so we're going to just smudge them. Yeah? So put your square sponge in. You've got two papers there.
I know. That's what I said.
Yep.
Squirrel.
Yep.
Well, the background
Yep.
is blue.
So we've got A3 card. And you just can do some, you can do some
it at the
swirls.
top because it's the
It's up to you how you do it. I can do it in circles.
I'm going to paint the sky
Yeah.
really close up.
Just fill the page with the colour. And do some lines.
Blue.
So when you're happy with your blue, then you can just add some clouds to it. So you just do this. Dab it on the side of the bowl and just do some clouds. Lovely clouds.
I'm going to do one as a car.
Like Eric Carle. If you've got a printer at home, then you can get somebody to take a photo of you and you can do an action shot and then cut around yourself like these guys, and you can draw maybe a bowler hat, a pipe, or anything you like really. So we're going to have a go at, Austin, do you want to cut one of your shapes out? Which one do you want to choose? Eric, do you want to have a go cutting one out?
Yeah. Need some glue.
Not really help you. Shall I help you just do the fine details?
I like the floor.
Yeah, but we need your feet floating on clouds. Show it to the camera. Now don't worry if you can't print out a picture of yourself, because you can always just cut things out of magazines or newspapers, like the odd mouth or a giant bird. You could even add some words if you like perfect or thank you or
Why
here.
did you say?
Okay, so this would be a surreal picture without a printer, for instance. I've just got a random dog and I've drawn a giant strawberry and an umbrella and a pipe. And you could do a surreal picture just out of magazines. Right, back to our picture, boys. We are going to draw our own fruit. So you've got a paper here, Austin. So you could do I think you should do a bowler hat. That's very Magritte. Yeah? You could do an umbrella, you could do a giant pipe, and you could choose 2 fruits. So if you've got some real fruit at home, you could copy them. So you could do a banana, yeah? Or an orange, yeah? What's this? Avocado or tomato, yeah? So with a pencil, so it kind of looks like this, look. So you can just draw on a piece of paper various things, cut them out and then rearrange it to make your surreal picture. What do you know what to do? What do you want to draw, Eric?
So I'm going to draw a dinosaur with a bowler hat on.
Oh, right. So you could do a random dinosaur there then. Now when you colour in, you don't have to be neat. Why don't you have to be neat?
Because we're just practicing.
No? Why don't
Because
you?
there's a paper underneath.
No? Why don't you have to be neat?
Because we're going to cut it.
You're going to cut them out anyway. So look, I just coloured over the lines because the neat bit is the cutting bit, isn't it? Yeah, it's like a shortcut. Now I think I'd go round a pen first, Austin. So pencil first and then pen. But once you've done that, you can't do pen.
So I'm going to draw a dinosaur standing on a banana but with a bowler hat
And you're in it too.
and a pipe. He's holding a pipe.
Oh. Yeah. You can go around it in a black pen and then colour it in black. What sort of shape is a bowler hat? So pretty simple really. I'm just going to do a curve and a rim like that. So the bowler hat's also called a billycock, a bob hat, a bombín in Spanish, and a derby in the USA. And look, because I'm cutting it out, I'm just gonna go over it really quickly like this. So there you go. Okay, now a pipe. We don't really smoke pipes these days, but I'm gonna start with a circle, a lot more like an oval egg shape, and then I'm gonna curve around and go thinner at the top. So it's kind of like a curved line out, going up, and then curving that way. And then I'm going to follow my line and then they meet at the end. There we go, sort of like a pipe, and they have kind of like a line here. Yeah, so that could be a brownie colour. Again, I'm just going to roughly do it. Oh, I quite like this wooden effect. Pipes were often wooden. There we go. Maybe a different colour for the handle. Don't know. Just whatever you've got, really. Or it could all be brown. And maybe a yellow for my stripe. Something like that. And what, like a dark black for the middle, I think. There we are. I'm just doing it roughly so I can cut it out. Okay, what else could we have? Oh, we could do an eye, because an eye always looks quite surreal, doesn't it? So I'm just going to do the classic curved line like this. An eye. And the iris, which is the coloured part, and a staring pupil. When you colour in an eye, you could do it bright blue or brown or hazel, but I like to go around like this. So kind of like, looks a bit more realistic. You could even do a little bit of a lid, couldn't you? Anyway, floating in the sky, the eye will look quite surreal, so it'll probably look quite good. What else could we have? Magritte he liked an umbrella, didn't he? So I'm just going to do an old-fashioned umbrella, not a fold umbrella, like a V shape. Kind of a few zigzags. There you are, and then join the zigzags down. Maybe bottom bit, and then a nice curved handle. Yeah. And again, I'm going to do that black, just roughly with pencil. The black handle. It's a good shape. Okay, what else could we do? An apple. So kind of like curved in a bit. They kind of got like a bit of a, like this sort of shape. Yeah. And they have part of the core. It's always got some kind of stalk. Maybe that looks more like an orange, but anyway, if I do it green, then everyone will know that's definitely an apple. I prefer doing it with crayons, but I'm going to just grab what I've got and curve it in a bit. Yeah. Oh look, I love the texture of a crayon or an oil pastel. Maybe a darker green for a lid, a leaf. Like this. And of course the stalk is going to be brown. Yeah. And then I just need to cut it out.